Welcome back to Self-Aware Soul. I'm Jacinta Yang, your host and guide on this journey of self-discovery and holistic well-being. Last time we discussed mindfulness, exploring practical exercises, tips, and insights to enrich our lives. I hope you found those practices helpful and have started practicing mindfulness in your routine. I know that it has helped me in what I do daily when I practice mindfulness. I find that I am taking care of myself more, my health, both physically and mentally. So when you start practicing mindfulness, you'll find that you too will be taking care of yourself in all areas of your life. Today, we are moving to another interesting part of holistic well-being, energy healing. So what exactly is energy healing? It's an ancient practice where we channel healing energy into the body to restore balance and well-being. The idea is that our body are made up of energy fields, and when these fields get blocked or disrupted, it can lead to physical, emotional, or spiritual issues. Energy healing includes practices like Reiki, Gong, acupuncture, and crystal healing. The goal is to clear energy blockages, boost energy flow, and help the body heal itself naturally. I found the energy healing to be very powerful since I started my holistic practice. I found that crystal healing actually amplifies the Reiki sessions that I do, and it has been very helpful to my own personal healing with my different medical condition. And I can't say enough of how it has impacted my health and helped me feel so much better. And I found that it also helped me eliminate a lot of the medication that was prescribed to me. As I said, energy healing has been a game changer. I first discovered Reiki during a personal health crisis when I was dealing with chronic pain and frequent hospital visit due to surgeries. While working at the flower shop, a customer and I discussed spiritual experiences. Intrigued by my openness and sensitivity, he invited me to join him at a community Reiki session. One of the most popular forms of energy healing is Reiki. It's a Japanese technique that helps with relaxation and stress reduction through gentle touch. During a Reiki session, the practitioner channels healing energy to the recipient, which help balances the body's energy and foster healing on all levels. All of my clients always tell me how they feel relaxed and that calm. Feeling that calm is what will help us all deal with our daily day-to-day challenges. Let's try a little energy healing exercises together. I know even though you're not here with me in person, I have been doing remote healing for my clients even overseas, and it has been very helpful. So remote healing, energy healing is actually very powerful. So you'll find that it will be beneficial even though you're just listening to me. Or it could be whatever you're doing. So let's do a little exercises. Get comfortable. Close your eyes if you want. And take a deep breath in and out. Now imagine a warm healing light surrounding your body. filling you with peace and calm. Take a deep breath in and visualize the healing energy that I'm sending you. You're receiving it and you're engulfed in this energy healing. Allow this healing energy to heal whatever that it is that you need to be healed, and let it go. As you exhale, you're exhaling the discomfort in your body and releasing it to the universe. I've also created a healing meditation video on releasing fear, which you can find on my YouTube channel. It's a guided practice to help you let go of fear and embrace inner peace. Before we wrap up, I'd like to share a few resources that have been super helpful to me on my energy healing journey. Check out the book The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle and Hands of Light by Robert Brennan. Thank you.